Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I am simply going to show you how you can fix your Instagram's story quality whenever you try to upload a new story on Instagram. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now the first thing, whenever you try to upload maybe let's say a story on Instagram, maybe you're trying to upload a 60 fps story, and maybe you are trying a very high quality resolution media on your Instagram story, but after you upload it you could actually see that the image is actually quite blurry. Now why this happens is most probably Instagram does not support too much high resolution media. Instagram has a certain limit on how much fps of story they can upload and how much high resolution of the media they can actually upload to their story. First of all, you simply want to make sure you don't exceed that limitation. And after that, the second reason could also be your connectivity. For example, sometimes whenever you upload a story, maybe your Wi-Fi became slow, or maybe your internet connectivity was really poor, and then Instagram could not upload a full resolution media, and then it only uploaded and then showed you the blurry version of it. So you want to simply wait after uploading a story for a short while and then see whether the blurry issue has been fixed or not. If that fixed your issue, then that is fine. If not, then the other thing we could do is you want to simply turn off your Wi-Fi and then switch to the cellular data, because most of the times what happens is that your own cellular data is actually faster than your Wi-Fi. Sometimes your cellular data could work faster, so you want to simply turn on mobile data. And after you turn on mobile data, I'm going to show you one thing which you want to customize on your settings, is that after you go to your profile page, on the top right you want to simply tap on the three bars icon. Once you tap on this menu icon here at the bottom, you need to go ahead and select settings. So I'm going to go over and select settings right over here. As we tap on settings option here, you want to simply look for the option called accounts. So I'm going to go to accounts, and here at the bottom you'll find an option called mobile data use. Now this option may actually vary if you are using an iPhone or depending on when you're watching this video due to the update, but maybe you want to search something similar to cellular data use or cellular data options. In my case currently it is mobile data use, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on mobile data use, and here you can see that the data saver is currently turned on, and here at the bottom you'll find an option called high resolution media. So I'm going to simply tap on high resolution media, and here you want to simply select mobile plus Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi only. You want to make sure it is not set to never, because if it is set to never, then Instagram will not upload and load a high resolution media. So you want to make sure it is actually not set to never, and if you are trying to upload from your data, then you can simply tap on mobile plus Wi-Fi. If you are doing it from your Wi-Fi, then you can simply tap on Wi-Fi and go ahead and save your changes and see whether the issue has been fixed or not. So hopefully one of these solutions have helped you fix your blurry story quality on your Instagram. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, or if any of the solutions work for you, make sure to leave them down in the comment section as to which solutions worked. And if you have any more questions, then also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.